The 1,000-watt folding e-bike EB-20 comes with a high-speed brushless motor that delivers exceptional power and speed, making it perfect for both steep hills and long rides. With a 48-volt, 20.8 ampere-hour removable battery, this e-bike offers an impressive maximum range of 80 miles, ideal for adventurous journeys. The 20-inch fat tires are designed to be anti-slip and puncture-proof, ensuring a safe and smooth ride on various terrains such as roads, snow, beaches, and mountains. Its foldable design allows for easy transportation and storage, while the smart LCD display provides real-time data on speed, mileage, and battery life. Equipped with advanced braking and shock absorption systems, the EB-20 ensures a comfortable and secure riding experience with reliable braking force. Cybervelo offers excellent customer support, with the e-bike being 90% pre-assembled and backed by a 1-year warranty for motors, batteries, and controllers.